Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change who can see your friends list on your Xbox. Let's get into the method. Open the settings first. You can do this by pressing the Xbox button, then scroll all the way to the right and choose settings here. Within the settings, scroll down to the account option on the menu on the left, then choose privacy and online safety. Next, choose Xbox privacy, and then select View Details and Customize. Now select Friends, Followers and Clubs, and have a look for the option called Others Can See Your Friends and Following Lists. If you select this, you can now change this to the option you want. For example, you could choose to block anyone from viewing this by selecting Only Me. That's how to change who can see your friends list on your Xbox. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.